All right, so that's the first, the fundamentals is, okay, what am I going to do? What do I really want to do? What do I want out of this? And then secondly is to provide, okay, I'm going to make my physiology better. And that's where, just remember, the adage garbage in, garbage out, well, just garbage in and it goes upstairs. And it stays. So remember, what you put in your mouth is used to construct those cells. So why build a house of straw when you can build a house of bricks? There's a couple of principles that apply here. You've already had a lot of toxins in the brain from chemotherapy. You don't want to add to it with other chemicals in food. Sugar, artificial sweeteners, artificial colors. There's a lot of research on this. I'm not just saying this because it's convenient. And I don't have an agenda. Believe me, if aspartame was good for you, I'd be taking it. And those unhealthy fats versus the healthy fats. The healthy fats, the omega-3s, for example, they actually help the communication of those cells, where unhealthy fats do not. They help the electrical properties of those cells in the brain. And then increasing your protein intake helps you create those neurotransmitters that you need. Does work with children as well as adults, and one of the first things that they do when they increase their protein intake, they have a more positive mood and they also calm down more. Folic acid, or folate, is the actual vitamin, is what, if you remember a few things, folic acid is really important because that actually helps the hippocampus to produce those stem cells that you want. So if you remember one thing to take after the day, that would be folate or folic acid. And studies have actually shown with the aging population that an intake of between 400 and 800 actually improves cognitive performance on tests. The probiotics help the gut, which helps make those neurotransmitters, and also they will affect your energy. Sometimes when doctors will talk about energy and fatigue, they don't realize that that's in the brain as well. Gee, this is just fatigue. Fatigue manifests itself by being mental fog, difficulty with decisions.